noted, President and CEO of AdvanceCT. Really excited to be here today and really excited to see what you have built so far, because what we see here is just an absolutely extraordinary example of what Connecticut has on offer, not just to our community but to the world. One of the things I get to do is, was just mentioned, I drive all over the state, but I also travel all over the world for Connecticut. Part of my job is to bring the Connecticut message to the farthest reaches of the world, whether that's in Germany or India, Japan. I'll be in Japan later this year. One of the things that's absolutely amazing and that I would like to share with you is when I get to introduce Connecticut to people from all over the world for the first time, what they see is something that's absolutely second to none. They don't see anything like Connecticut anywhere else in the world. A community-based and family-based state where people are absolutely committed to doing a fantastic job, but not just any type of fantastic job. Now, in Connecticut, if it's next to impossible, if it requires several patents, if it potentially violates a rule of physics, that's right for Connecticut. What we're doing here is so extraordinarily difficult, and you guys make it look so easy. And what that means for Connecticut is that we're in a position where we're making parts, we're doing processes, and we're training a workforce that's second to none, not only in the United States but in the world. So when I love saying to people in Connecticut, you can drive off of a road, take a left or a right, go a half a mile, and open the door, and you're going to see something absolutely amazing with manufacturing in the state of Connecticut, where there are people that are hard at work, that truly care about their job and communities, that are making things that are going into the products that we use all over the world every day. And it's an amazing thing to see Chapco play this vital role. We're looking forward to seeing all these spaces filled. We're looking forward to continue to support you in the work. I want to shout out really quickly Jessica and Ted from the AdvanceCT team who worked with you. We also view a ribbon cutting as a beginning. A press release is not an accomplishment, is an ending. It's the beginning of what we're continuing to build on it to do many things in years to come. We're excited to be your partner. We're excited for Connecticut, and we're really excited for seeing where Chapco goes next. Thank you.